Hi. In this video, we will discuss how we can add long-tail keywords in our content to boost its ranking. When you are developing content for your website, imagine if you can use keywords which are targeted and specific and can turn out to be highly profitable for your website. We are talking about long-tail keywords and how you can reap profits if you add them to your content. What are long-tail keywords? Long-tail keywords are used to search for something specific and targeted on the web. They might have a low search volume, unlike the short generic keywords, which tend to cover a broad issue, but these long-tail keywords result in better conversion rates. The long-tail keywords are 4 or more words long. To identify the right long-tail keywords, you need to understand that when people enter their search query, they are trying to find the solution to a problem. For example, you do not search "buy leather shoes." Instead, you will search with keywords like formal shoes or party shoes. So, when you are creating your content, you need to address the problems of your target audience. Suppose you search for the keyword hotel. It would give you thousands of options because it is a broad topic. Most of the search results might not even be close to what you are looking for. However, if you narrow down your search, it would give you close to accurate results. Now, you can make your content for a specific niche, keeping in mind the searcher's intent. This will help you rank your content better on search result pages. In our example, hotel, you can use the long-tail keyword, best boutique hotel near Mumbai airport. Here, we have researched the intent of the searcher and then used a long-tail keyword that is relevant to the search query. You can also search these long-tail keywords on Google and scroll down the search page to find similar queries. These are usually other search queries people make when they are looking for content similar to the one you are promoting. You can also use WordStream, which is a free keyword research tool. The long-tail keywords have a very limited search volume as they are generally used to solve specific problems. This means that they have less competition and are highly profitable. Now, once you research the long-tail keywords, add them to the article. They should come naturally in the content. Do not just stuff the keywords into your content. Make sure you use the keywords in the content appropriately to read well and become relevant to the reader. Now, suppose you have a competitor that ranks above you for specific keywords that are similar to yours. In that case, you can take the competitor's URL and put it into SEMRush. They will show you all the keywords that they are getting traffic for, and also the impressions. Please keep in mind that SEMRush is a paid tool. You can compare it to your URL as well. See where the differences are because they show the gaps where all the keywords that your competitors rank for, and you do not. You can start adjusting your content to include these keywords. Ideally, you would not want to create new content. You want to add them to the existing content because it would be lot less work than creating new pages. It is a simple, easy, and effective way to grow traffic, especially if you are doing this to pages with traffic. However, if you do not have any option but to create new pages, go for it. We hope this video has helped you to understand the significance of long-tail keywords. We will see you soon in the following video.